Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Icon Fabric Manager Chair. Features. This high-back fabric manager's chair is packed full of ergonomic benefits designed to help improve posture and overall comfort. Icon is manufactured to EN 1335 standards for strength and stability and is suitable for commercial use. This chair comes with eye-catching upholstery and panel stitch detailing for a modern look and feel. Icon features a slim profile contoured backrest with a deeper padded central panel for comfort. The backrest incorporates an angled headrest area to help support the head and neck. The pocket-sprung seat pad with waterfall front offers dynamic support throughout the day, encourages healthy posture, improved blood flow, and helps to reduce muscle fatigue. This type of seat particularly benefits sitters with lower back, disc, sciatic or pelvic problems. By lifting the rear right-hand lever up, you can adjust the seat height to your ideal position. The seat slide is operated by the lever at the front right-hand side of the chair. Pull the lever up and slide the seat into position. Let go of the lever to lock the seat into position. The synchronized tilt mechanism is operated by the left-hand lever. Push the lever back to unlock the mechanism and allow the chair to float freely. Push it forward again to lock the chair into one of the 3 preset positions. The innovative weight tension control automatically adjusts to your body weight throughout the recline for support regardless of stature. For a more ergonomic experience, unlock the tilt to encourage body movement throughout the day. The height-adjustable armrests provide support while keying or mousing. To adjust the armrest height, activate the finger pull on the armrest stem, adjust the armrest height, and release to lock into position. The Icon is fully upholstered in high-quality Yidatex fabric in black, blue or wine with contrasting colour detail in a breathable air mesh fabric. The upholstery coordinates perfectly with the classic black frame and armrests. The Icon has a chrome gas lift stem and sits on a 5-star chrome spider base with twin wheel casters. The TUV and BIFMA-tested gas lift supports users up to 110 kilograms, 17.3 stone. Foams are fire retardant to British standard BS 5852 and fabrics to EN 1021. Icon is offered with a 2-year manufacturer's guarantee for up to 8 hours use per day, available from stock and delivered flat packed or fully assembled on a free next day or day of choice delivery service from Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.